Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unlink EA account from PSN. Right. So first up, I would like for you to know that you can only do this one via your EA account or via the EA website. So go ahead and grab your favorite browser. Could be from your mobile device, PC, or console if you have a web browser. And then just go ahead over to myaccount.ea.com. Hit on enter. Now, once you're in here, it won't ask you to log in, so just go ahead and log in with your EA account. And then once that's done, go ahead and go to the left panel and click on Connected Accounts right here. Now, find the linked section, and you should be able to see PlayStation Network. Now, if you can't see PlayStation Network right here, that means that it's not linked. All right? So to unlink it, finally, go ahead and click on Unlink right here. Now go ahead and click on Send Code, and a code will be sent to the email that is registered to your EA account. Okay? So go ahead and grab the email, and you should receive the same exact email. Okay? So go ahead and grab the code from here, copy, paste, and click on Submit. Okay? I'm not going to do it because I don't want to unlink my PSN. All right? So click on Submit, and once that's done, you're good to go. That's how simple it is to unlink an EA account from PSN. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.